Hi there, and thanks for joining me for this video. In the last couple of videos I've made, we downgraded the firmware in the Boss RC600 LoopStation from current 1.3 version down to a previous older version, 1.12, that came out maybe 2 years ago, just to show you that you can downgrade your firmware to any previous version if you have those files on file, because you can't download them from the Boss website any longer. You can only get the current newest version at their website, which is version 1.3. If I hold down menu, turn on the power, we'll see what's in this machine, and there it is. Version 1.3 is what I have in this machine. Now you can't get out of this screen any other way than by turning the power off. So let's do that. And we're going to power up again in normal operating mode. So the first thing I'm going to do is clear everything in this machine again, because when you change your firmware from one version to another, options in the menus may change, may be added that didn't exist before. And so you may have settings and whatnot, new entries that didn't exist before. I'm just going to erase everything and start from scratch with default settings. And the way to do that is to press Menu, scroll to the right twice, Factory Reset. You can either reset the memory, the 99 memories with their configuration files and the tracks, or the global settings, or both. And that's what I'm going to do, is both. Press Enter and let it do its thing. It's erasing everything that it had in the machine previously, which coincidentally wasn't anything because we already did this a couple of videos ago. I'm just showing you once again. So we're going to definitely be starting just like it was a new machine with its default settings. And we'll see how cool we can set this machine up. One thing that people forget is that you can configure all of these foot switches to do anything you want them to do, as long as it is in the configuration list for foot switches or assigns. You can have it do anything. Anyway, the reset is finished. It's dropped us off at memory number 1, and in the next video I will show you how I will start configuring all of my switches. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye now.